Avery. Can you say hi to the camera?
Hi.
It's on video. What are you for Halloween?
Yeah.
Show your face. Say, what does Kitty say?
Yeah.
And what do you say when you want candy?
Trick or treat.
Oh, and there's Ashton. She's going to be a pumpkin. We'll take her picture after. She's pretty excited that Avery's a kitty. Go show her your face, Avery. Go run over. Okay, girls. We're going to say bye to the camera.
Trick or treat.
Trick or treat. Happy Halloween.
Happy Halloween.
It's October 31st, 2011.